Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Share Screen in ChatGPT. Alright, let's begin. Keep in mind that screen sharing is available for ChatGPT Plus users and higher plans. First, open the ChatGPT app on your mobile device and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, tap the voice icon to start a voice conversation. After entering the call screen, tap the plus icon and select Share Screen. Next, approve the screen broadcast request on your device. Once approved, screen sharing will start immediately, and ChatGPT will be able to see your screen in real time. You can then ask ChatGPT for help with emails, apps, websites, error messages, settings, or anything else visible on your screen. This makes it easier to get assistance without having to explain everything manually. For the best experience, speak naturally and clearly while using the feature. That's it for this video. Thanks.